Today I'm going to be making sausage spaghetti with Alfredo sauce, and to start with I have some garlic butter already heated in the pan, and now I'm going to add some garlic clove to it. One piece of garlic clove, and I'm going to fry it. Now I'm going to add a pinch of thyme leaves. Mix it well. Fry it with the garlic clove. Now I'm going to add one small chopped onion and fry it. Fry it for 5 to 8 minutes until light golden. The onions are light brown. I'm going to add the capsicum, green capsicum and some red capsicum, and I'm going to stir fry them for another 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add some mushrooms and olives and stir fry them along with the vegetables for another 5 minutes. I'm going to add some Thai chilies. I just used one Thai chili. I'm going to add the ready-made Alfredo sauce. I'm going to mix it well with the vegetables. And heat the sauce for 5 minutes. I have boiled and stir-fried the sausages. You can also add chicken if you want. I'm going to add sausages. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Now I'm going to mix it well in the sauce. Meanwhile, I have already boiled the spaghetti. Add around 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese to the sauce. I'm going to let everything heat and mix for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to show you the final result. Add the sauce to the pan. Now the boiled spaghetti. Now I'm going to mix everything very well in the sauce. It's better to use a fork to do this. Now it's mixed well, and I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese on the top. You can add how much ever you like. Now I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes until the cheese melts. It's been 5 minutes now, and this is the result. The cheese has melted and the sausage spaghetti is ready. Some parsley flakes to garnish. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.